bago. Libre ni Kuya Mark yan. Kinamot mo ba? Yung kamot?
Did you get your kulangot?
Ha?
It's okay.
Did you kamot?
It's okay. Oh,
It's okay.
you too soft? Oh, punas ka ni Kuya. Thank you, Kuya.
Oh, where's Aries? Where's Aries again? Oh, what's up? And I hear the chairs laughing. What's happened? What's that with? Did I something in my head? Say boo boo baba so I know you're here. Boo boo baba. Where did you go? I saw it. Nope. Put my. Huh? He died. See. Why do you not like so many people living there? Those people. That's what it looks like. Are they gonna be like? I think we're gonna make friends. Are we gonna make friends? Mama, you're the playground. Yeah. We can go in town. Yes, we can make a castle. Yeah. But oh, those kids and mom and dad they need to know. But we don't need to. Oh, are we doing traveling here? Why are we doing traveling here? This is what we're supposed to be. And
Yung maganda malaki dun eh. No? Sa bungad.
where are we camping?
Kaya tayo dito. Oo, tsaka mo ba to? Wala ng space?
Aries.
Yan, di ba?
Thank you. Kayo dyan? Anong binibuild nyo dyan? Hi, babe.
Can you cut this?
Hi, babe. There's no water. You wanna drink water?
Andyan lang. Yeah, drink there. And then, no plain water. Huh?
Kaya nga. Ay! Iba yung chef.
Hindi chef to, chef to. Nakita ko na.
Good morning, gabi dito para yung...
Come. Come. Look. See?
She was
Don't sayang your water, ha?
No, Papa! No! No!
What?
No one's gonna touch it. No. Don't go in.
Hindi ko alam.
Oreo eat too fast.
Yummy? Si Oreo. Oh, kuya. O, push mo si kuya.
Baby, push Kuya. She really wants to go on.
She's still eating, love. Hala, tulog naman.
Oh,
No, she's pretending. Ay, tulog yan, tulog. Tara na daw, Chog.
oh wait!
Let's go na, babe. Let's go na. Let's go na sa river.
Sana ka water? Let's go. Let's go. Where's the water? Saan mag-egg yan? Saan mag-egg?
Saya na naman.
I know. Exercise yan para mabawasan yung ating mga mukha. Okay?
Ang galing ni Ading, ah.
Ano nangyari sa ano mo? Why?
Sa tanggal.
May bato? Okay, let's go. I don't want to go swimming.
Hey, Kuya, I don't saw fish here. Yeah. Maybe we'll see this. I'm gonna pour it.
Oreo! Wag mo na anuhin si Oreo.
Wanna go right? Kaya natin ito. Waga pa naman, eh. Small pa lang.
That's where I am. It's easier. Here, I'll put it.
Beb.
I'll put the water.
Huh?
I'm numb. I'm literally numb.
Chog. Chog.
Like seriously, Oreo.
May matamaan na. Iniwanan ka, Chog. No buhat. Let's go back. Is it cold? Sit down ka, sit down. Sit down. Whoa. Lamig, kuya, lamig. Oh, Ninang sure got one fish. Let's go, let's see.
Ma.
No! It is so no!
Okay, we're gonna get another one. Get another one.
Eric!
I'm gonna get another one, okay?
It is so like that!
Wag ding, ding. bad for the fish.
Wait, we're gonna get one out. Ako, naging problema ko pa tuloy. No more. Dapat pala dalawang muna bago ako nag-sinabi. Hey, Jan! Paano ko makakakuha ko yan? Regar, go on, don't. Yan, nawala na tuloy. Ha?
This fish! Look at this
Oo,
fish!
huli pa.
Tita!
Yes.
Look at this
This one, oh, yun.
Dali lang.
That's so small.
Dali lang. Eh, naman eh.
Sige, sa'yo na stress.
Wait lang, mawawala sa paningin ko.
It's puppy!
This one, yun. There's another one in here.
Dali, may isa pa. Ang ganun, bakit? Ang ganun isa. Oh.
May laman yung kuya, may laman
na.
yung.
Oh, sali natin. We'll put it together,
There's one more, there's one
We'll put
more.
it together.
Yay! Come on, dito, Yami.
Nasaan na? Sabay, yay! Pinabayaan yung mga bata, ano?
Oh.
Ito pa.
Hindi pa rin makukuha. Dapat
Oh, di ba nag-enjoy silang dalawa?
Alagay ko sa aquarium.
Oo, naman. Makakawala na yung isa.
Kaya ng goldfish.
Lalabas na siya kuya.
Lumabas na yun. Alagay mo na ito. There's another one. There's another one.
Let's put it together.
No, okay.
Okay. O, tayo, bawasan natin yung water ng konti.
Can I grab a fish?
Uy, nawala na.
I want to grab a fish. The next one can...
Alam mo bang madaling maawa si Iris?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, bago.
Gago.
Yun.
Don't throw the fish away. We're gonna keep them.
Ay!
Mulat na.
Dito. Kukuha pa tayo ng madami.
I thought it was one.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
Why?
Can I have it?
Yeah, we're gonna give it to you.
I want them too.
Dito. Kiri.
Hi.
Put it here.
Put it here. Put it here. See, and the fish was more. I can put it in. 5 fish.
How many fish is that, Ading? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Look, wow. Like you, how old are you? Can I hold one?
Which one? I see one. Oh, I see two.
Tatay ko yun. Ah, hindi. Oh, sige. Hug natin si tatay. Dalawa tayo. Okay. Ah, ikaw lang? Ako din. Ayaw niya. Ako din, tatay. Tatay, nanay too.
Nakahuli daw ng fish. Nakahuli po yun. Nakahuli daw ng
Ay, saan ba tayo?
yabang.
Ang dami nga nila nakuha eh. May fish kayo?
Ay. Labasan.
What for?
Wait, later.
Okay. I'm just joking.
One more. Push na lang. Higa. Go.
Okay, close your eyes.
Oh.
I know, I saw. I like it.
Wow. What's
Look at
that?
my fish.
I know, I saw it.
And we got neighbor full, and he tried to be dead, but he's not.
Say thank you to ate. Hag ate. Hag muna. Oh. Hindi siya nagsalita. Wow! Open na. Open na daw. Si ate mag-open. Ate botit eh. Okay.
Kahit yung pumunta niya, kunin mo lang kaya ko yan.
Ay, isuot to.
Nice naman. Binili mo, te? Wow! Yeah.
Lukat ni nang siya. Tabi. Wow. Wow. What's that? It goes to the bushes? Yes. Go get it. Go get it. Yay. Hi, Bev. Ala, ala, ala. Bakit? Let's go? Saan? Sa water. Nana is wearing socks. Splash? Run! It keeps falling. Ano ba yun? Go right now.
Where are we going?
Uy, throw? Okay, throw. Splash? Ay, throw ng rock. Saan ko ba to? Wow! Wow!
No, no. No.
Dito sila na. Oh, wow, splash! Si nanay din? Mababasa yung jacket ko. Off? Oh, go! Si kuya? Kuya, lamig ka na? Wala, she's going! She's going to help you! She just sat there.
Okay, wait. We have to go really far. Yeah. We have to go.
Sleep kayo ng baby? Wow. May bag ka pa? Ano pa? Hawakan ko. Oh, she's hungry. Oh, milk. Go feed her. Oh, jump ka. Oh? Oh? Where's Rainies? Who's that? Hi.
Mali ko na rin.
Too slow. Too slow. Slow. Too slow. Too slow. Too slow.
Yes.
Sarap.
Hmm?
Can you hug?
Why?
Can you hug? Ayan.
Nagtagan pa natin?
No.
Ako na.
Took it in the car.
Be, baka mahulog ka. Ano ba yan?
Hands up. Who's the winner? Yeah.
Ooh, patingin nga ano kinakain mo. Say isaw.
Is there more?
Sige. Yummy? Wow! Sit down, baby. Move, baby. Sit down. Sit down. Here, Ading's order. Banana.
Okay. You need light?
Papakainin mo ba yung kakantuhan mo, ano? Kainuman mo, ano?
Masisibangot na yan ano, pag kumain.
Habang kumakain na kasi baka.
Pick one, eat or sleep.
I don't know.
Ayun na! Ayun na ka talaga, ayun na ka.
Hello.
Noodles!
Dati yun ang talagang bully. Nanalo ko sa akin.
Dad, kunin mo na yung noodles natin.
Wala pa sa inyo, nagitang itlog.
Ano yan?
Ay, may itlog pa.
Sige, ano mo?
Matagal pa itlog. Listen, I can't sleep. Pahinga ka daw?
Hindi daw siya makatulog.
Kasi maingay.
Eh, doon ka matulog sa ano, bed?
Sa, may alas.
Wala, hindi nakakain ng noodles. Who's gonna eat your noodles?
I'll eat Ryan Mo's noodles.
Ba't yung isa mo? Sabihin mo na naman. Sabihin mo na naman, hindi tayo nag-noodles. Si Mike, hanggang ngayon hindi pa nakukuha yan. Ilan na tayo lalaro ganyan?
Ilang taon?
Bakit?
Ba, habol lang.
Mahap.
Baka maka-second ano eh.
Huwag mo na masusubo.
Mas masarap sa Pilipinas niluto sa noodles. Oo. Kasi yung nilaga.
What?
Yung niluto sa noodles, yung noodles.
Oo, tapos gano'n mo, ikiwar mo, no? Really good.
Parang yung
What
laki
is it right here?
Huh?
Wala chicken.
Laki talaga.
You scared me while looking at Tita Mayan.
Sorry naman kung ninakot ka niya, no?
Tennis. Oh, tagal. Gago to eh.
Dahil taga-meron. Hindi niya makita. Hindi niya makita.
Ang ina ayaw mo tanggal.
Ayaw mo tanggal. Hindi ko rin kaya yan.
Ano ba rin niya, Marquez? Tang ina nyo. Sinundan nyo.
Kayo lang magagawa tayo sleeping bag yan? Ha?
Ano ba yan? Sleeping bag to, balitan na nga to.
Pag mo na balitan kasi.
Ano yan? Ano meron? Oo. Yan. Sarado niyo sleeping bag.
Okay. Ayan, ito. Kaya naman ito.
Una mo sa kabila.
Yan.
Ang galing ng belt mo.
Baka may ilaw ka. Video. Meron ka na.
Ilagay yung zipper sa kabila.
Dapat pagduktungin mo doon mas yung malaki.
Open na
Balik
siya.
mo sa kabila.
Balik ulit.
Gago, babalik nga sa kabila.
Ginagawa niya. What are you doing?
Matanggal eh.
Doon, tatanggalin mo sa kabila dulo. Hindi dyan, sa kabila. Sa kabila.
Dito.
Hindi dyan. Doon, tanggalin mo sa kabila. Pang sara yan eh. Balik mo. No, to. Nasa left mo.
Tama na nga yun kanina.
Nasa left mo.
Okay
Nasa
na
left mo.
Ito.
Oo. Yan. Ibuksan mo yan. Huwag yung turuan eh. Siya nga magre-review eh.
Hindi nga mabubukas.
Sige.
Labi mo yung ginagawa.
Tangina eh, uulit lang ako nito eh.
Sige, baba mo doon. Sige.
Okay na yan.
Sige.
Open na
Sige
nga
pa,
yun.
sige pa. Sige pa.
Oh, open na
yan.
yan.
Tanggalin mo ngayon.
Open
Hindi,
na siya.
nakalaki.
Hindi,
Hindi.
ganyan talaga siya.
Ganyan lang yan.
Ganyan lang yan. Ito mo, open na.
Ay, tanga. Bobo. Natangigil na pala. Successful. Bobo. Uy, mga bobo.
Ay ka na.
Okay, salamat ah. Salamat guys.
Kaya yung pagduktungin yan, pre, dalawa.
Appreciate guys.
Ay, isa pa.
Akala ko ano yung mamarites niya dito.
Ano pag ginagawa mo dyan, Mayan? Ba't ayaw mo lumabas?
Ayaw mo naman. Dito siya sa labas. Yung plastic.